Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to receive emails when someone submits your form, you will need form notifications. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to set up form notifications in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, first and first, go ahead, look for Webflow in your device or basically in your browser. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet, tap on this thing, then go log in using your email address and password. After this, we're gonna go and open the project settings by tapping on the Webflow logo and go into project settings. So for example, you can even access settings from here. We have multiple options, e-commerce backup, interface, email, and all of this. Set the notification email. Enter the email address where submission should be sent by going to email here. Then enable form notifications. Make sure notifications are turned on, then customize the email subject. Add a clear subject like new contact from submission. Then save your changes by tapping on save before exiting the settings. You can then test the form by submitting a test entry to confirm the emails arrive. As for some tips, check the spam folders if emails don't arrive. Use a business email for better delivery, then connect Zapier for advanced workflows, and that's the main idea. So, basically, after doing all of this, you can go and check, basically go back and check the website. You can even see the video tutorials if you need them, the audits, find anything here. Learning assistant, you can even get some help from AI. Basically, if you are here changing something, we're gonna basically select about us. You can basically select AI as well. You can change whatever you want in this editor. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.